Hey, what's up everybody? It's Johnface Moto coming at you today with another construction tip. I made a video about blue tape and different uses besides just for painting. You can take it and use it many different ways. One of the ways I'm using it today is if you're drilling, if you're installing a shower door, you're drilling in tile, or if you're making any hole for that matter, in sheetrock, plaster, whatever, this works if you're trying to keep everything tidy and not make a super mess. Let me show you in the bathroom here. Today we're installing a glass sliding shower door. So to keep the mess minimum, you just create a little shelf. You lay out your tracks and you make your little pilot holes, take off your side pieces, and then you come back and you're going to open up the hole a little bit more. You always want to start small with the pilot, masonry bit, and then step it up instead of trying to go, for the whole thing at once. This is porcelain tile, so it's very hard. Ceramic's a lot easier, but yeah, you just create a little shelf, and it catches your dust, and then you can come back and fold it up, carefully peel it off the wall. You can take your vacuum and just suck it up real quick. But I figured I'd just throw out this little tip. But yeah, so that's it for the video. Just if you can, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more construction tips or motorcycle content for that matter. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Take it easy. See you on the next one.